Simple strategies to play a better round of golf. Golf can be a very enjoyable and relaxing sport that anyone can enjoy playing. However, for a beginner, that golf club can be a very intimidating piece of equipment to handle. So, what should a novice do to learn how to use it? Well, read the tips below, of course. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is store your clubs where is it safe. Never leave your golf clubs in your automobile overnight, if you do not park it in a secure garage. Many thieves know that people tend to keep clubs in their back seat or trunk and will target you. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to make sure that you watch out for other players after hitting your ball. It is customary to yell for if it appears as though you may come close to making contact with an individual. Be sure to not yell this if no danger is present. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to be sure that you are using your full body when you are trying to add more power to your shot. This is important because if you try to use arm or wrist strength, you will throw off the accuracy of your shot. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to not steal balls from the driving range and use them on the course. There is a multitude of reasons why this is wrong, but mainly they are easy to spot and it is considered an action of extremely poor taste. Your focus needs to be at 100% for your next shot. You don't want to let anything around you alter your success. Don't let any unsuccessful shots or something like water make you worse. Anxiety about earlier poor plays can really have an effect on your game, so do your best to push them from your mind completely, rather than dwelling on them. A helpful tip when it comes to golf is to try playing a golf video game if you are unfamiliar with golf. This is a great learning tool to help you learn the rules, club selection, and overall feel for the game. Of course, this will do little to no assistance with your actual performance, but it is a great introduction to the game. Now you should be able to see why golf can be such an enjoyable sport to participate in. There is so much fun and relaxation to be had as one tries to put the golf ball into the hole. With these tips in mind, you can start putting like a pro. This one secret, dead simple move, is so powerful and easy to learn, you'll start hitting powerful, accurate, flush golf shots in minutes. Visit secretgolfhack.com to learn all of this and more. Ben Hogan's real golf swing secret, that he took to his grave, is finally discovered. And it's unlike anything you've ever seen before. Visit secretgolfhack.com to discover the secret and more. Link in the description.